modern family home located in East Dulwich, South London. This project is a stunning collaboration between open practice architecture and Kinder design, where a former automotive garage has been reimagined into a serene, light-filled residence. Let's dive in to see how this project unlocks the potential of infill sites in a bustling city. The coach house is tucked away in a quiet mews area in South London. This project began with a vision by Rupert Scott from Open Practice Architecture and Leo Wood, founder of Kinder Design. Their goal was to create a home that not only preserved the site's original utilitarian charm but also introduced modern innovations. Over 6 years of meticulous planning and phased construction, the house evolved into a 3-bedroom residence with a central courtyard, complemented by a guest suite annex designed to meet the family's need for additional space. Additionally, a small adjoining plot was acquired, allowing the home to expand without compromising its original design integrity. From the outside, the coach house exudes a modern yet functional aesthetic with its cubic L-shaped form. The exterior features pale brickwork for a clean, warm appearance, accentuated by horizontal iroko wood detailing that adds visual texture. To optimize natural lighting on this compact site, the architects strategically incorporated large glass panels and wide windows. Vertical timber battens frame the facade, creating a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces while maximizing daylight and maintaining privacy. Upon entering the home, visitors are greeted by a striking curved steel staircase. This feature is both a visual centerpiece and a functional element, leading to the second floor through a double-height atrium illuminated by a skylight that fills the home with natural light. The interior design adopts a calming neutral palette. Light ash flooring and softwood ceilings lend warmth to the space, while these materials also provide visual continuity across the sleeping areas. On the second floor, a strategically positioned light well brings in abundant south-facing light, creating a tranquil corner perfect for quiet reflection. The kitchen and living areas form the social heart of the home. These spaces are grounded with exposed aggregate concrete flooring, offering durability and a contemporary edge. This robust material is balanced by oak veneer cabinetry and stainless steel finishes, blending modern aesthetics with functionality. The open-plan layout ensures seamless visual and physical connections to the central courtyard, fostering harmony between indoor and outdoor living. One of the highlights of the coach house is the guest annex, completed in 2023. This extension was designed as a multifunctional space, featuring a cozy living area and a home office on the ground floor, with a private bedroom above. What sets the annex apart is its use of natural ash wood throughout the interior. From the floors and walls to the built-in cabinetry, this singular material choice creates a distinct yet harmonious atmosphere. A strategically placed light well ensures that natural light permeates every corner of the annex, maintaining a seamless connection with the garden and the main house. The coach house stands as a testament to the transformative power of thoughtful design, turning a utilitarian space into a functional, modern, and aesthetically pleasing home. With its focus on natural light, high-quality materials, and the seamless integration of indoor and outdoor spaces, this project offers endless inspiration for anyone looking to maximize the potential of their property. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Block 7 for more design inspiration. See you in the next video.